Get to know your unique climatic data with the Holman Aspect Wi-Fi Analyst, the latest in our range of innovative weather stations. As you open the box, set aside the 3-volt battery. Place the base panel on a flat surface and push in the mounting pole with both arrows facing down. The supplied plug powers your indoor main console. Unpack the main console and click the 3-volt battery into place. In the event of a power outage, this battery protects your data history and ensures all accumulated data is retained. Attach the outdoor sensor to the mounting pole. This collects your local wind speed and direction, barometric pressure, temperature, rain data, and much more. Consider where you would like to install the outdoor sensor. Using the mounting base horizontally, the outdoor sensor can be bolted to any table, bench, or flat surface outside. Alternatively, it could be mounted vertically on a pole using the additional plate provided. Once you've chosen your location, make sure you line up the arrows to suit your preferred setup. While mounting the outdoor sensor, ensure that it is level so as to collect accurate data. You should now have two separate components, the 5-in-1 wireless outdoor sensor and the indoor main console with LED display. To pair the outdoor sensor and the main console, first connect the main console to the power. Then insert 3 AA batteries into the bottom of the outdoor sensor. Once the connection is successful, the antenna icon and readings from the outdoor sensor will appear on the LCD display. Being in the southern hemisphere, the wind vane needs to point south. The main console will also need to be switched to southern hemisphere mode. Start by holding the index button for 10 seconds. On the back of the console, press the up button. Press index again to save your changes. To link your indoor and outdoor units, head to wonderground.com. Create a Weather Underground account by clicking Join. Enter your email address and choose a password. Once logged in, click Add a new device and find your weather station. You'll be required to enter your physical address to determine the longitude and latitude of your location. Be sure to keep a record of these details for future steps. We recommend saving these somewhere on your computer so they are easy to copy and paste later. Once you have noted the coordinates, click Next. Weather Underground will then ask for information on your weather station. Choose a name for your weather station and choose Other in the drop-down list of device hardware options. Next, you'll need to supply information on how high above ground your outdoor sensor is going to be placed and the type of surface it is mounted above to ensure accurate data collection. After accepting Weather Underground's privacy policy, click Next. You should now receive a unique station ID and station key. It is essential to keep a record of these. We recommend saving these details with your latitude and longitude coordinates from earlier. The next step is to connect your weather station to your router. Your main console will need to be in AP mode to complete this step. This is active when you first power up the main console, or from normal mode You can access it by pressing and holding the Sensor Wi-Fi button for 6 seconds. When in AP mode, the LCD display will show the letters AP with a flashing Wi-Fi symbol. Once in AP mode on the main console, open the Wi-Fi connection options on your computer and connect to the Wi-Fi network labelled PWS. After the connection is successful, open a new tab in your web browser and enter 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. The Pro Weather link page will appear where you can enter your router credentials. Under Weather Server Setup, copy and paste your unique station ID and station key. Uncheck the Weather Cloud checkbox. Select the first option under Time Service Setup and click Apply. Once complete, connect your computer back to your home Wi-Fi network. Double-check the main console to ensure everything is working. Your weather station should now be online. The Holman Aspect Wi-Fi Analyst is available at Bunnings Warehouse. Holman, for the smart gardener.